Oh no.
That's when my career almost ended.
Scared. Hi everyone.
Hey!
We are back. So it's Mesa
And Liz.
and it's What the Cup episode 3.
So let's jump right into it.
Let's do it.
Hey, What the Cup team. My What the Cup moment actually involved a cup of coffee, more like it's centered around it. To give a little context, we had a big meeting with a potential client, the kind we could not lose.
Oh no.
Emphasis on the not. We had created the best pitch deck in the world. Come presentation day, we were ready to wow our prospect. Client arrives, everyone shakes hands, my manager is in full we're best friends mode. I sit down with the iced latte, trying to look composed and professional. My manager starts his big opening line. Thank you for coming today. We're excited to... And then that's when my career almost ended.
I'm scared.
My God, these stories become more dramatic each week, huh? The lid on my iced coffee wasn't snapped on properly. When I go to take a sip, the entire lid pops off, the cup tips, and a full waterfall of iced coffee pours across the table, directly into the client's lap.
The client. Oh my god.
Not a splash, not a drip, a river of cold coffee. He shoots out his chair like he's been electrocuted. My manager is horrified. Someone hands him a stack of napkins, and immediately I turn to mush. I rush to stop the damage, but it's too late. He's standing there, dripping coffee, trying to maintain dignity. It's a total disaster.
I think this may have been our worst story so far.
Yeah, it's hard to recover from this. He tries to recover. Accidents happen. Let's continue. The client can't stop glancing at his outfit, now completely stained. My manager keeps trying to talk, but every time he shifts, he gives me an intense stare that makes me want to disappear. We end up getting through the entire pitch, despite the client looking extremely uncomfortable. When the meeting is over, he gives us a quick handshake, bolts out of the office. We leave the room in silence. My manager looks at me and says, "Next time, no drinks." For the next month, every time we had a client meeting, we were only allowed to bring a water bottle. My colleagues did not shy away from thanking me for this every opportunity they had. Safe to say, we never heard back from the client again, and I was forever known as the clumsy drink spiller. Thanks for letting me share my story. Hope I can at least bring entertainment to the community with my humiliation.
Absolutely. That is extremely embarrassing, but definitely entertaining.
And imagine the clients wearing Brunello Cucinelli or some very expensive outfits that you can't recover from coffee. Thanks for sharing. See you guys next week for episode 4.